मेरी अर्श पाक पे उतरे वो फसले गुल जिसे अंदेशाए जवाल ना हो. Today is Pakistan's Resolution Day, which is celebrated on March 23rd every year in Pakistan. On this day in 1940, the All India Muslim League passed the Lahore Resolution, which demanded a separate homeland for Muslims in the subcontinent. Pakistan Resolution Day is an important day in the history of Pakistan, as it marks the beginning of the movement for a separate Muslim state, which ultimately led to the creation of Pakistan in 1947. On this day, we celebrate our independence and reflect the sacrifices made by our forefathers in the struggle for freedom. It's a day to remember and honor the leaders who fought for the rights of the Muslims and worked tirelessly to make Pakistan a reality. Let us all take a moment to pay tribute to the heroes of our nation who made the creation of Pakistan possible. And let us work towards making Pakistan a strong and prosperous country. Happy Pakistan Resolution Day.